Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly and welcome back to day number 13 of my Halloween series. Guys, we are on my final 4 looks. I hope you guys are ready and to rock and roll and get this thing popping because I got a lot of exciting stuff for you guys coming up. Today's look, we are doing Venom from the Marvel universe or Spider-Man's universe. If you guys haven't seen the movie yet, you should. Pause this video and come back and we can talk later. Anyway, I love Venom. I love anything Marvel related. Last year I did Scream. I wasn't too proud of it, so I wanted to kind of redeem myself this year because there's a lot of looks I did last year that was out of sleep deprivation and literally like they did not come out the way I wanted to, but that's neither here nor there. This look was inspired by Major Look here on YouTube and Instagram. Alright, so you guys know the drill. I don't have a stencil this go around. I'm doing this all freehand, so I'm just drawing this in with a lip liner. And I'm just filling out where I want the tongue to go and how I want the tongue to be shaped and stuff before I start painting. Then I will go in with a very light pink color as the base of the tongue color. Your 3 main colors for this look will be pink, red, and white. A little bit of brown sometimes here and there if you want to deepen it, sometimes black. Literally, I have a mess of a palette I have to go back to today when I paint over my other looks. But yeah, those are the main colors I use for this entire look. So now I'm going to use a little bit more mixture of some brown and red with that pink color, and I'm going to use that to outline and deepen that tongue. I added a little bit more brown and I just kept shading and adding a little bit more paint to keep deepening it till my liking. So now we're going to start adding in the details. I use a dark red eyeshadow to start forming how the tongue will start slithering and stuff like that and kind of give it a little bit more shape before we actually go in with a black eyeshadow. I also went in a little bit after this and I shaded a little bit more pink because the tongue was looking a little bit dark before I went in with the black, and then I will go in with my famous black shade you guys already should know by now. It's Corrupt by Makeup Geek. And then I will go back in with some more red eyeshadow and I'll start creating some texture on the tongue. You know them bumps underneath your tongue? That's what I'm creating. I also will go in with that red shade and start creating a little bit more dimension on the tongue before I go in with black, and I will continue to shade until it's to my liking. So now we're going to add our highlights, and I'm just using straight up white body paint. Also, I'm creating some drool because you can't have a scary character like Venom and not have any drool because he had plenty of it in the movie. So I'm just making little like zigzags and little dashes to kind of create that effect of there is a lot of saliva in this man's mouth. So yeah, and of course we're going back to blending. I do a lot of back and forth when I do my paints, y'all, so I'm sorry in advance, but this look especially, like it's a whole lot of takeaway and putting back and blending until your arm falls off. Literally, you'll be blending for hours, like no joke. Once I feel satisfied, I'm going to add some teeth, and you guys already know how I feel about teeth. I added a little bit of teeth at first, but later on down the line I went back and added more teeth. Once I feel satisfied with the teeth, I will go in and fill the rest of the back of the mouth. I'm using a mixture of pink and red, and then I go back in and add a little teeny bit of brown just to deepen it a little bit because it was starting to blend in with my tongue and I didn't want that. And now the best part ever, we are going to just outline all the teeth and all the extra details. And also I will go back and do some last minute shading before we move on to the next part. So I didn't want my teeth to be perfectly white because no, it's Venom. We've been eating a lot of people and calling people turds all day. So I wanted to shade that in with some yellow eyeshadow, and then I will go in with some brown body paint to give it some like decay and some like old rotting looking teeth, you know, make it really disgusting. Now we're going to fill in where his eyes are. Remember, Venom, Carnage, all of them, Wrath, Scream, they're all symbiotes. They have weird shaped eyes. They're like alien things. So they're not going to have your ideal looking eyes, okay? Just for people in the back that don't know. Anyway, so we're just filling that in with some white. And of course, I'm following that up with some shading with some Corrupt. Again, guys, I don't have a great eyeshadow would be ideal for this. But in the case that you don't, I just use black body paint and apply pressure as needed to certain areas. If I want gray, I will add lighter pressure. If I want straight up black, of course, I'm going to be more aggressive with it in certain areas. But yeah, that's just how I get away with my shading. And since I don't have gray, I use that because then I know I'm going to start filling that in with black later on. I also went back in and added a little bit more drool because it wasn't drooly enough for me. And then of course, the most satisfying part, we're going to fill the whole thing in with black. And then it will make this whole mouth area pop out at you for real. Like, this is like the best part of the whole entire painting. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This tongue took me forever to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is also the first time I wore a ball cap ever in my life, so sorry if it's hanging back there and it's bothering some people. Your girl wasn't trying to lose her edges because I lost enough hair this year dealing with Diva Curls crap. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.